Hey everybody, welcome to RV Nesters Scooter Edition. Today we're going to do an oil change on our 2020 Lance Cali Classic 125s, so stick around. So here's what we're going to need today. A drip pan. I like the disposable ones for easy cleanup. Compressed air. If you have an air compressor with a fine tip attachment, you can use that. 17mm socket wrench. Some shop towels. Latex gloves just to keep clean. Motor oil. I'm using Valvoline 10W40 synthetic. We'll discuss motor oil options in another video. And a funnel for adding the new oil. So let's get started. Find the location to drain the oil, right here. We'll use the 17mm socket wrench. Doesn't take much to loosen this up. Remove the bolt, let the oil drain. Make sure to inspect the washer and threads. Everything looks good. If you can, tilt the bike a little bit towards you to help in draining the oil. Then we go to the other side and we're going to locate the oil drain and filter. Use the same 17mm socket wrench. When you loosen this, you'll notice the cover comes off. There's a spring inside. There that goes. Grab that out of the oil. And then carefully remove the filter. Be careful not to pinch since it's a metal mesh. You don't want to crush it. With your air compressor or bottled air, clean off anything, check the gasket around it, looks good. Make sure you clean out the filter good, you can see the stuff coming out of it. Clean off the spring, and then we'll reassemble. Insert carefully. Careful not to cross thread. Make sure it goes in nice and easy and the screws tight. Finger tighten it. And then go back over with the 17mm socket. Don't over tighten. Nice and snug. Return to the other side. The drain bolt. Same here, just be careful to make sure you screw it in straight. When it's easy and glides nicely, you know it's going in good. And again, we'll tighten with that 17mm. Now we're going to pre-measure the oil. Check your owner's manual for fluid volumes. This happens to take 800 milliliters, just under a liter. So pre-measure with your Betty Crocker measuring cup. Remove the dipstick and put in the funnel. And slowly add the oil. Now we'll replace the dipstick to get a measurement. Let it sit for a couple seconds and bring it out. You'll notice you want to just to the end of where the tip reads. That's perfect. and you are all ready to go. We hope you like this video. Click subscribe below and ring the bell for notifications for additional videos.